Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your server name on Discord, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change the name of your server on Discord, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to the server for which you want to change the name. And once you're on the server, next, I want you to tap the server name at the top. And then you will now be on your server's profile. So now that you're on your server's profile, I want you to go to Settings. And once you're on Settings, next, I want you to go to Overview. And here in Overview, you will now be able to see the server name option right here, so you can now change your server name. And once you're done entering your new server name, you can now tap Save to completely save your changes. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now changed the name of your server on Discord. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.